What is an e-franchise business from home? In today's world, everyone desires their own work, their own business, and to run it comfortably from home. But not everyone has the necessary time, space, or a large investment. And that's precisely why Mean Company has brought you Madakaram Debam. This e-franchise business from home is a digital business that you can start from home using your mobile or laptop. You won't need a shop or an office. Just learn a little and start working. Our company provides you with comprehensive training, teaches you management skills, and offers round-the-clock support. This means you are never alone. The company is always by your side. In today's world, relying on just one income source is a significant risk, which is precisely why having multiple streams of income is absolutely essential. An e-franchise business offers you exactly this kind of opportunity, where you can, through your mobile and with the aid of digital software, provide customers with a wide range of services such as business solutions, marketing, advertising, franchise options, finance and wealth management, products and services, and even projects that work for the betterment of society.
To summarize it concisely, this is a unique kind of business where you have the opportunity to help people and simultaneously generate a substantial income.
Now, consider this. If an individual is seeking employment or if a company requires new clients, you facilitate their connection and generate income through that. Alternatively, if someone wishes to launch a new business, you can present them with the Main Company's diverse franchise models, which also helps increase your earnings. The Main Company offers 4 distinct types of franchise opportunities:
E-franchise, mega e-franchise, mini franchise, and master franchise. This translates into a unique opportunity for each individual to work according to their preferred schedule and personal convenience. The most significant advantage is that this entire business model is completely based on IT digital software. This means that your work is carried out in a secure, professional, and thoroughly modern way. The Main Company provides you with comprehensive corporate and personal training, enabling you to learn everything about how to effectively grow and manage your business operations. Its most significant and unique feature is that here, you have the opportunity to earn 4 distinct types of income: active income, passive income, compound income, and royalty income.
Yes, you heard right. Monthly, 20 to 50,000 rupees in earnings are possible, and your income depends on your effort. In today's digital age, everything runs online. So why shouldn't your business also be digital? From home, manage your own digital franchise via mobile and earn.
An e-franchise business isn't just a business. It's your financial freedom, your identity, and a secure future. So, if you want to earn from home, if you want to build something of your own, then this is the perfect time and the ideal opportunity. Start your very own e-franchise business with Mean Company, because working from home now truly means smart business.